Okay, so now I found a game called Microwave Dinner. It's basically just going to be a game about a microwave dinner. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to put that over here. Start. How to play game. Now let's do this. So we're just going to be a microwave, or play as a microwave, I guess. Ooh. Okay, look at me. Look at me, I'm a little microwave. Oh, I didn't blink. I didn't know I could hover. I can hover? That's cool. Like crouch. Okay, cool. So Blue port. So obviously this is going to be like a Mario-esque game. And I love Roblox games that do stuff like this. Just, there's so much effort put into it. I love it so much. It's so cool. And there's someone's glitching there. Ooh. I can roll around. Ooh. Neat. Okay. Hover over here. Oh. That hurt. Oh. Goodness. Is there anything in here? Anything at all? Nope. Wonder if there's something here for me. Oh wait. Oh, I thought there was a little explanation point, as if I needed to go here. I'd go on the roof. Okay, so right now I do not have much of an idea of where to go. Can I go in here? No? Okay. More meat! I need to collect the meat. Oh crap. Meat for me. Meat is the finest meal for thee. Unless you're vegetarian, then I don't know what would be the best meal for you, I guess. Ooh, who are you? Hello. Hey, robot. Yeah, you. I bet you could use this ramp. I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with the wheel of yours. You could probably even zip across the water to the White House. That would be so cool. I think you just gave me an idea. Water! I made it. Cool. And I need 200 meat, so this was a waste of time. What's this? Hello, little goober. It's a chest. I have no idea what that is, but I assume it'll be useful in the future. So how to get back? Ooh, I bet that place could use my help. What if I went over here? Well, it seems I have enough meat to come in here. Area unlocked. Ooh, how nice. Oh, It's just kind of hollow. I can just look inside. It's like, ooh, I'm gonna go inside. Oh wait, no, it's just just a little box. Restaurant. Ooh, look, there's little Blob. His name is literally Blob. I think it originally said Bob, but then they used like a red marker to put Blob. Hold on, I need to go see that. Hold on. Sir, I need to see your name tag. I need to get real close. Yep, Blob. Wait. Oh wait, no. Never mind, he's next to cross out the L, so he's just Bob. Hey Bob, can you help me today? Welcome to the restaurant. Oh, a robot? A microwave robot? You must be here for a job. No. Go talk to the chef, Blob. Okay. I mean, I don't really look for a job, but I mean, if you insist. Ooh, we got a bar here? Got any beverages I could have? A little microwave? Okay, I guess you don't want to talk. Hello, sir. Hey, I'm a chef at this restaurant. Too bad I am not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. I'll help. I can just imagine. Great! I need food for the soup. Get some of that pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and the carrots. Good luck. That kind of was messed up. Okay. Why are we doing the job for the chef? Really? Okay. Lettuce. Okay, I guess I can just rotate in my hands for some reason. It's pretty much useless. Okay. I need meat. Couldn't I just like take like one of my chicken wings and just put it in there? Cause this is just like, or chicken leg. Yeah, let's just go in here. Yeah, see, we could have just gotten one of these and we would have been fine. Can I rotate the chicken wing? Yeah, I can for some reason. Okay, that doesn't really make any sense, but okay. I mean, whatever. Whatever will do. Because I'm doing a chef's job, because I guess he just sucks at his job. I mean, you're a chef. You can't just break some boxes with your bare hands. Amateur. So, a little bit of an issue that I can't seem to find any. I don't think it's very good that I can't find anything else. Maybe something in the kitchen itself. Hello, sir. What else do you need? I need fish and carrot. They're in the restaurant somewhere. Okay. So you're telling me that other food is just laying around in the restaurant? Man, no wonder there's like barely anyone here. I mean, the restaurant actually looks really nice, but you're just laying food around anywhere? Man. I think you just spent most of the money on interior design. I don't even know. This is fun. This is fun. Something tells me that this is where I'll find the fish. How do I get to the fish, exactly? Can I swim? Clearly not. I mean, I don't know what I expected. I'm a microwave. If anything, I should have killed the fish. Because, you know, probably electrocuted the water. Probably not the mixture. Electricity and water. I mean, pretty sure that can kill you, actually. Don't know why it didn't. What do I have to do to get the fish? There's another room somewhere. I'll go ahead and start off with the carrot. What if the carrot can lure the fish? Because it did have a little X, so maybe if I put the carrot there, the fish will somehow realize that, I guess, it likes carrots, because I don't think fish eat carrots. Pretty sure. Can't even. But let's just, like, drop it. Doesn't seem to be intriguing the fish in any way. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, never mind. The fish just... Okay. I'll leave the carrot there. And then I'll get the fish. The live fish. I better go ahead and throw him in here to end his misery. He's not showing much... He's not showing much emotion, but trust me, he's in pain. So, let's get him in here quickly. So I can go ahead and go up to the fish god. Or maybe god in general. He'll be in a better place, swimming in the clouds. It's still moist, but I don't think he needs gills anymore to breathe. It's heaven. Now I think about it, you know, I'm gonna die. Nothing's gonna happen. Like, I'm a microwave. What's gonna happen when I eventually rot? Well, not rot, like, you know, rust. It's gonna be, you know, it's really sad when a robot realizes, you know, its existence. Huh. Anyway, I'm probably gonna end it right here. After I get the carrots in the soup. Maybe Gordon Ramsay should hire me. Yeah. You've finished collecting everything for the soup. Oh wait, no, that's not. Hello, sir. I finished your job. Your job specifically. Wow, you got everything. Thanks. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? The restaurant. Oh, that was Mr. Bubbles? Sorry, no, I don't know what you're talking about. Who's Mr. Bubbles? Oh, never mind. Yeah, totally. He didn't happen to be in a tank, did he? Ooh, TV dinners. Look at it. What is that? What is the food in general? What is that? Is that pasta, bread, and peas and carrots? Is that ham? Is that ham? Like, it looks like spaghetti, ham, and mixture of peas and carrots. I don't know how I'd feel about that lunch. Is that... Okay, I'm just kidding. Please little face. Please little face. Look at him. You got microwave dinner. Take it to the fridge bot power core where it can be used as fuel. Okay, well, I'm gonna end it right here. And I should be able to, like, leave now. Somehow. I don't know how to leave. I don't know how to leave. I think I'm actually, I don't know if I can leave, actually. I'm kinda, can I leave, please? I wanna leave the game. And I'm gonna end it right here.